Good job, honey. You're doing great.
I know. I think I got my drink.
I know. Come on, keep getting it all the way around the
Because the
yard.
rangers are going to want to eat me.
Go out by the mailbox, honey. In the driveway. See? Stand right there and do it. Go out in the yard.
Don't get in the grass over there, baby. Landmines. See it?
Where?
Right there. Little landmines. See, look. Dog poop.
Is that it? All right. Now the ranger will know, huh? Cat, oh my gosh.
No, don't open up presents! Don't open up a present!
Are we locked out?
I don't know.
Nope.